Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So here we'll understand one of the core concept, which is overflow when it comes to React Native. So we'll understand what is React Native overflow. Now, first thing we have to see carefully first, here I have this image and this image has sharp edge. But in fact, we don't want it. We don't want sharp edge because we want to have a common layout where the edges are curved. Now here you see that we have overflow. Of course, it's commented out, but now if I uncomment it, and then here we'll see that, okay, the edges are rounded. So this happens because of overflow hidden and why it works. So let's go ahead and understand. Now, once again, here I'm going to comment it out. And if I do that here, we do see that, okay, well, these edges are sharp, but at the same time, if you do see that I have a border radius, so I have applied some border radius. Say for example, if you really don't know how much it is, I don't know, I'm going to put it as a 16, but still there is this sharp edge. So it looks like the border radius didn't get applied, but is it so? So let's examine. So over here inside this view, we have this image. Now, of course, this image is taking 100% width and height of this view. As you see, we have mentioned it over here. So let's do one thing. Instead of 100%, let's give it 100, which is more like 100 pixel, and height also give it 100. Okay, now let's go ahead and save it. Now we see that our image become much smaller. So one thing to have a better understanding over here, we can use justify content center and align item center. Now here we see that our image is centered, but at the same time, if you see carefully the background, which is our view over here, it does have border. Okay, as you see that it has a rounded corner. So that means that actually our border radius, which causes to have this rounded corner, it is being applied. Okay, but when it takes 100% width and height, this image, we don't see it for this image itself. It means that the image is not following the view, which means that image is not following the parent. That means that the image actually is overflowing these borders. It means these corners are going out. Okay, so now once again, very quickly over here, if we put it to 100%, and then over here let's do the same 100%. Okay, so now this sharp edge is overflowing the parents, okay, overflowing this view. So once you do overflow hidden, which means that, okay, whatever you have overflown over here, hide that one. Okay, that means that I know that you have overflown, but let's hide it, just make it as same as the parent or this view. Okay, so let's save it and go ahead, and you'll see that now we see we have this rounded corner. So simply speaking, when you use overflow hidden, it's going to clip the child edges. Okay, so that's how it works. Why it clips? So that it can fit into the parent or the outside view perfectly. Hopefully it made sense, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you.